Hi guys, it's your girl Layoncè and I am back with another video. So I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. I'm not going to be doing a voiceover because this is going to be a pretty short makeup tutorial. I'm doing my everyday makeup look. It's basically a natural look that I do whenever I'm going out. Not whenever I'm going out, because I like to go with my natural face, but it's a look that I usually do when I'm going out. A lot of people have been texting me telling me to upload makeup tutorials, so I'm about to do that today. Without any further ado, let's get to the Yo, I need somebody to teach me tree, ga, ewe, all that, because I'll be singing not knowing what I'm saying. I put on the energy you give me in the song, all the good vibes you give me in the song. My girl, I know they lie, yeah. Oh, everything. With money, send me a location, I go come. I'm going to the moon, and if I come back, send me a location, I will come. One thing I learned about makeup is if you can't get it, just leave it. Because once you're done with your look, you can't even tell the difference between your eyebrows. Because remember, I always say your eyebrows are supposed to be cousins, not twins. They're supposed to be sisters. They're supposed to be sisters, not twins. They could never look identical because one eyebrow will have more hair than the other. One might be more shaped than the other. So what are they watching outside? They can't be the same. You feel me? You're in Ghana. Could y'all tell Nana Akufo-Addo to open the freaking airport so I could come to Ghana? Like, I miss home. Like, time to come to the airport. Like, I feel like I'm in jail right now. Cause I see all the fun y'all having. And I feel left out. So tell y'all presidents open the airport.
London girl never seen it before. Island girl never seen it before.
Alright, for my Nigerians, y'all need to teach me Yoruba because it's sad how my mom's family is from Nigeria, Kwara State, and they understand Yoruba. Me and my mom don't, so y'all gotta teach me and my mom how to speak Yoruba. Period. I know some of y'all might be asking why did I use 6 and 8, because when I put 7 on this cheek, 7 was a little bit too light. It wasn't in the middle like this, which is why I mixed an 8. Y'all, my undertone and my regular skin tone really be messing with me sometimes when it comes to makeup. Like, I don't be knowing what shade to use because my undertone be coming up. But yeah, if you see, my skin is looking all radiant. I really recommend these L'Oreal True Match. I really recommend them because when I use it for my clients and they even go out and come back, their skin looks really radiant and really good skin. So I really recommend it. Although I don't use it for I don't know why I don't use it for my skin. I'm gonna start using it. I'm actually start using it because I like it. Don't call me back, oh. Don't call me back. When you see, say I know they with another. Don't call. My mom is so cute. We was in the living room, right? And I told her, like, I'm gonna go through my makeup for YouTube. And then she goes, "You're bored, right?" I'm sorry. I'm like, oh, this old lady's very cute. But I just felt like I should share that with y'all. I am really dramatic when it comes to my eyeliner. I get really mad when clients come to me and be like, oh, they don't like eyeliner. Because I'm like, yo, that's my expertise. Like, I've been doing eyeliner way before I could even do makeup. So, like, I get really dramatic with eyeliner. So hence, if you book me, just know I'm gonna go all out with the eyeliner. Just know. Like, could we just embrace this wing and I'm not even done? Like, yo, I remember my C16. I'm gonna put the clip up so y'all can look and laugh. They played this song and my dad, oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna just put it up so y'all can see and laugh for y'all. Y'all know how Nicki be extra with her eyeliner? That's how extra I am with my eyeliner. What we say hot the summer, we ain't talking about degrees.
My mind dey for you, he dey for you. Girl, call me we vibe. Girl, call me we vibe.
Baby say you mata, oh. Yeah, so yeah. My sherry coco, make I bet you like that, oh. So y'all, my camera died and I lost footage of how I contoured and everything. But this is the finished look. I'm gonna do my hair, call my parents over to like rate the look. And these lashes are from my mom's co-worker's line, the Moncherry line. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. Do you guys see how fluffy these lashes are? Shout out to you, Auntie Sherry, for these fire lashes. Like, I'm really in love. I really love them. Thank you so much. And yeah, so let me finish my hair, do my hair, and I'm gonna call my parents over to rate the look. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna call them and see if they come. Mommy, Daddy.
My mind dey for you, so make I tell you.
They're having like a little movie day or whatever, so what if I do is irrelevant today?
My mind dey for you, make you be my Angela.
I had that down here for snaps.
Wow.
You like it? Where's Daddy? He's
You have
sleeping?
to come and see you. You will not come here to see you.
But the light is off.
It's okay. He doesn't have to see you with the lights.
Yes, he does.
So you
Wow. Prince!
6.5 hours later.
You are extra, man. I know I'm beautiful. You are so extra. I feel like you're about to fall. You never seen Beyonce before? Yo, my dad is mad cordy. We have gotten to the end of this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming your way.
I'm telling everybody,